I was supposed to post this on Sunday, but I'm doing it today. I know it's actually Monday, but I think it's still relevant anyway. So please listen carefully. Some churches use bowls, some churches use buckets. When it's offering time, please don't go to the toilet. Who gave you the money? It came from God. If not by His grace, you won't have that job. If He took His hand off our life, we will go back to using plastic knives. He owns everything, including our life. I don't hesitate. I just pay my tithe. Have a nice day. Bye.